In today's video, we're installing the Global Door Controls TC4300 door closer using the standard arm or regular arm configuration. This is the pull side installation, meaning the closer mounts on the side of the door you pull toward you. The TC4300 supports standard arm, parallel arm, and top jamb mounting. In this video, we're focusing on the standard arm setup, which is one of the most common layouts for interior commercial doors. For this demonstration, we're configuring the closer for a 100-degree door opening. We'll begin by laying out the door holes. All measurements start at the pivot point of the top hinge. Measure 7 5/16 inches over and 11/16 inch down from the top of the door to mark your first hole. Then go 1 inch over for the second hole, using the same vertical line. Next, lay out the lower holes. From the second hole, measure 3 inches over and 2 1/4 inches down. Circle it, then go 1 inch farther for the fourth hole. At this point, you should have 4 mounting locations marked for the closer body. Now mark the arm foot holes on the frame for a 100-degree opening. The first hole is 11 13/16 inches from the hinge pivot, and the second is 1 15/16 inches beyond that. Both should be 1/16 inches up from the bottom of the frame stop. Once everything is marked, use a center punch on each point so your screws start cleanly. Pre-drill the very first door hole with a 3/16 inch bit to help with alignment. Take the closer body out of the box. In a standard arm installation, the cylinder always faces the hinge side. Hold the TC4300 against your marks. Install the first screw into the pre-drilled hole. Then install the opposite screw to square the unit. Add the remaining screws to secure the body. Place the main arm on the closer pinion at a 90-degree angle to the door. Push the arm away from the hinge to make sure it rotates in the correct direction. Remove the screw linking the forearm and main arm and set it aside. Now attach the arm foot to the frame using the 2 marks you made earlier. Always position the long side of the foot toward the hinge. After the foot is mounted, close the door and drop the main arm back onto the closer pinion. Reconnect the forearm to the main arm with the screw you removed, keeping it slightly loose. Adjust the forearm so it sits near 90 degrees when the door is closed. Then tighten the screw firmly. Now we'll adjust the closer. The TC4300 has 3 hydraulic valves. Sweep controls the main closing motion. Latch controls the last few inches. Backcheck prevents over-opening. Start with the latch and make sure the door hits the strike securely. Then adjust the sweep so the door takes around 15 seconds to close from 90 degrees. Finally, adjust the backcheck so resistance begins near 90 degrees, protecting the door from wind or impact. Cycle the door several times until everything feels smooth and controlled. To finish, install the decorative cover. Remove the correct knockout, slide it over the closer, and tighten the 2 small set screws. Open the door fully, let it close, confirm the sweep speed, and verify the latch engages properly. Your Global Door Controls TC4300 is now fully installed in the standard arm configuration. For parts, support, or additional commercial hardware solutions, visit Door Closers USA or call 866-232-5673.